8 ways to create a bulletproof data security plan for your business. 1. Keep it up to date. Mitigate the risk of data breach by keeping your IT security policy, procedure, and process updated. 2. Knowledge is power. Regularly engage and educate your staff about the latest data security technology and best practices. 3. Hybrid-ready security. Secure network connection and computing device for hybrid arrangements with VPN. 4. Back it up. Invest in physical and cloud-based backup and recovery storage solutions. 5. Data encryption. Protect your data at all times with encryption and customized access control. 6. An eye on your network. Monitor your computing environment for potential service impact with a network security team. 7. Cyber resilient continuity. Make your business continuity plan, BCP, cybersecurity ready with data security and network backup measures. 8. Get the right people. Hire professionals with experience and skills to help you with data security. Let's talk further. We'd love to discuss how we can help your business.